Hello children, here now we'll come to the next topic, that is challenges to the political parties. So what are challenges? It's important to understand the question first in order to write down the correct answers to the questions. Fine. So what are challenges? Challenges means the problems which could be rectified, which could be sorted out. They can be called as the challenges. So here the topic is, or the topic will deal with the problems which the political parties are facing, and that could be sorted out, that could be rectified. So what are the major challenges to political parties? So just four important challenges to political parties it's mentioned here, uh, and these are the main ones actually. So one first important one is the lack of internal democracy within the parties. So lack of internal democracy means the freedom, the internal transparency. So that internal transparency the political parties they don't show, they don't have. So the power is concentrated within the top leaders of the group. They don't hold the organizational meetings and take the decisions. Actually, the top members of the party, they make decisions. They take decisions, the important decisions, and then they circulate the decision among the other uh, party members. So it's not good. Okay. So here, that is. The leaders who enjoy the greater power, they make the decisions in the name of the party. So it's not like everybody's view is considered. So that shows that the parties they don't have internal democracy. So this is first problem, that is lack of internal democracy within the party. Now second one comes, that is dynastic, the problem of dynastic succession, or the challenge of dynastic succession. So what is dynastic succession? Dynastic succession means the people, the prominent members of the people, uh, that is prominent members of the party. Okay, the leaders of the party, the important leaders. Okay, the main leaders. They do it happens like that, that they favor, or they pass on the favor to the people those who are close to them, or the people those who are their family members. So they get undue advantage there. Fine. So that situation can be called as the problem of, or the challenge of dynastic succession. So one after the other, when first leader, when he moves from the power, leaves the post, so that post is taken up by the other member who is maybe his relative or from the same family. And this leadership, or this what to say, this doesn't depend upon, the shifting of power doesn't depend upon the capability of the person. It depends upon the birth, the accident of birth, because the person is his family member. So that undue advantage they do get or enjoy, you could say. Now the third one is the growing influence of money and muscle power. The growing influence of money and muscle power. The third point, the third challenge of the political parties. The third challenge to the political parties at present, the influence of, the growing influence of money and muscle power. So the powerful people, those who give the large donations at the time of election campaigning and all, later on when the same party comes to power, so it is seen that they influence the government decisions. What is that? That happens because money is influencing the government. So those who give more donations, they do make an undue advantage after the election outcome. Similarly, there the people with the people those who are strong, okay, the people with the muscle power, they do that is maybe you can call as the criminals. So some of the cases even that has been seen, that has been noticed, that the criminal support is required to win elections there. And in such a condition, we can just imagine the situation of the country when the party who has taken the support of any of the criminal after being elected, after coming to power, surely the criminals would try to, the same criminals, those who had extended their favor during the election period, they would surely try to take that undue advantage from the people there in the power. The fourth challenge is no meaningful choice. They do not offer, that is, no meaningful choice to the voters. Whichever party they take, if you see, the people, they go on shifting their parties. From party A, they do resign and they do join the next party. So do they change their ideologies? No, the person is same. If the person was corrupt in the previous party, surely that person will be corrupted in this present party also. So people, that is the normal voters, they don't have a proper meaningful, a good meaningful choice. Whom to choose? All are same. Fine. So this is the problem. These are the four challenges we could see there in the existing there in the political parties. Challenge means, once again I would like to repeat, means the problems which could be sorted out, which could be reformed. That can be called as challenge. So first one we talked as that is lack of internal democracy within the party. Then comes the problem of dynastic succession, where the power goes on shifting in the same family members. The power is not, or the power is not transferred on the basis of the capability of the person, but on the basis of the membership of the person, the family membership. The third challenge is the growing influence of money and muscle power. The people, those who donate large sum of money during the election campaigning, or the people with a criminal record, they do try to influence the public, influence the voters, and they do in order to gain support for their for that particular party during the election period. And the fourth and the most important one, that is, no meaningful choice is offered to the voters. So whomever they choose, the person is going to be same as he was there in the previous party. So thank you, children. All these answers, that is, first question is the same thing, that is the challenges to political parties. That is the first question. And even each one, that is, if a question can be raised like describe the lack of internal democracy within the party, that can be raised as a question. So the points, what is this internal democracy? So those points could be highlighted to write out this answer.